Policeman body found in his motor car along Exchange District Main Road in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A police sergeant was found unresponsive in his motor car in the parish of St. Anne on Friday. The deceased has been identified as Lloyd Kelly of the Runaway Bay Police Station and Bonham Heights Exchange in St. Anne. Reports are that at about 8:40 p.m., commuters noticed the 53-year-old grey BMW motor car parked along the Exchange District Main Road in St. Anne with the four-way flasher on. Upon inquiries, it was noticed that the driver was slumped in the driver's seat of the car and appeared to be unresponsive. The police were summoned along with a medical team who performed emergency CPR. However, no sign of life emerged. The police was later transported to the St. Anne Bay Hospital, where he was pronounced deceased by the doctor on duty. His licensed firearm was retrieved and is currently in the custody of the police. The police do not suspect foul play in the case. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.